Gabe with Airframes Alaska here again. We're getting a lot of planes out of storage right now. It's spring, we're getting ready for the summer flying season, and one of the biggest things that always ends up happening is fuel leaks. So the fuel strainers are starting to leak, fuel valves are starting to leak, primers are starting to leak, and fuel valves are starting to leak. And as you get your plane out of storage, you might want to take a look at some of those leaks and get them taken care of before the summer flying season. As a McFarlane dealer, we have all of the rebuild kits you can need for either your fuel valve, your fuel strainer, or your primer. The entire fuel system we have seal kits for. One of the things I want to focus on is the fuel valves. These are very common to go out, and while we do have all of the rebuild kits, you can replace all the seals in your factory Cessna valve. The factory Cessna valves are incredibly difficult to rebuild, and you need special tools to do so. So consider, instead of replacing all the seals, simply replace the whole fuel valve. McFarlane makes an excellent line of their own FAA PMA Cessna fuel valves. These have a lot of product improvements built into them: better seals, better bearings, stronger shaft so that shaft doesn't strip out for your control. And these are actually a lot of times less expensive to replace the entire valve than to pay your mechanic labor time and parts to rebuild your existing valve. These also don't have any core charge. It's just one price, so you can buy it, take it out the door and install it. You don't have to worry about your existing core bringing it back. And we have these in stock down here at our Anchorage store as well as Palmer, and we are also getting parts in stock in Fairbanks as well for all of your fuel valve rebuilds.